Hi, hello, welcome to the Caffeinated Journal. My name is Shreya and I hope you're doing well. So, today I will be showing you a simple method to bind your own journals with any paper that you have on hand. There are two methods to bind notebooks. One is by stapling the pages together, and the other one, which I will be showing you, is by sewing the pages together. The stitch that I am using here is called a saddle stitch, and it helps the journal to lay completely flat. Depending on the thickness of your paper, you can choose your desired method of binding. The paper I am using is from Khadi Gram Udyog. They sell these handmade papers in A1 sized sheets. The one that I bought was for about 12 rupees per sheet, and here I'm only using half of the sheet. You can make 8 A4 sized sheets in one A1 sized paper, and here I have taken 4 A4 sheets, which I then cut into half to make them A5, since the size of the journal that I want is an A6 size. Always remember that in paper sizes, the bigger the number, the smaller the size. For the cover, I took an old cardboard box and then covered it with a piece of brown paper bag. If you have any decorative paper, you could use that as well. Now, to bind them all together, just stack all the sheets and secure them with clips so that it's easier to punch holes in them. I use a little paper scrap under the clip so that it doesn't leave marks on the paper. Here I left 1 centimeter from the top and the bottom, and then marked the center, and then again marked the center between these two holes. So we end up having 5 points in total. For making the holes, I am actually using a rounder. In most bookbinding tutorials, they use an awl, but since I don't have it, I'm using a rounder or a compass, as you may call it. And to widen it, I use this large needle that we usually use to make garlands. To make punching holes easier, always place an eraser underneath, and that helps you to create a very clean looking hole. If your paper is extremely thick like mine, or you have more number of pages, then make sure you prick holes from both the sides. If your paper is very thin, you can fold the pages before punching the holes, but for thicker sheets this method works better. The total length of the thread you need for binding the book is around 5.5 times the height of the notebook. It is always better to wax the thread, and so to wax the thread I use a tea light candle, but some people also use beeswax. Now, single thread your needle, but do not tie a knot in the end. Start from the inside middle hole and pull your thread through, but leave a little thread at the end. Then sew all the way to the right, and then all the way to the left, and then come back to the center. At the end, tie a little knot and pull the thread back on the inside along with the knot. Again, tie a knot to complete it and cut off the excess thread. Now it's time to fold the pages. Fold the cover in the opposite direction once before folding it in the right direction. You can trim off the excess on the sides to give it a cleaner look, or leave it as it is. I decorated the cover, and if you want to see how I did it, then check out the IGTV video link in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you do use this tutorial to make any notebooks, make sure to tag me on Instagram. All my social media links will be in the description box below. I would love to see what you guys create. Thanks for watching, and until next time, see ya, bye, take care.